Hey there, sweathearts. Get ready for your cardio merengue tutorial. This is El Choborón by Kinito, Méndez. Let's get started. All right, merengue step. Side, touch, side, touch, side, touch, side, touch. But we're gonna add the hips. Out, 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 out. We just have double arms, push away, push away, push away, push away. We learned a hula recently. Remember, the hip goes with where you're going, and merengue, it's opposite. It goes behind you. So it leaves a little trail. So as you walk away from those boys at the bar, they have something to look at. Pa, 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 pa. So you start to the right, 4 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, left. Ta, 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 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Facing the front. We go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, right. We go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, we have a little top step. Just a little side to side, right here. We're going to start with the arms. They're going to go right, left, right, left, right, left. And we're going to take the shoulders and we're going to throw it up. Hey, hey. It repeats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hey, hey. Facing the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hey, hey. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hey, hey. All right, the next step is the hardest step of the merengue. It's a merengue 6. Don't get in your head about it. It's easier than it looks. It's just a triple step. It goes 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. A little more difficult than that, but it goes right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left in a 3 pattern. So we go out, in, out, in, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Now once we come comfortable with that, we're going to start to cross it. Same thing, we just cross that foot in front. Right, left, cross, cross. So you can take that foot back just a little bit so you have room to cross it. Out, in, cross, out, in, cross. And then once we get that, we can add some arms. Just side to side, blades, blades, elbow comes in, and we push the foot and the hands out together. So I'm going to show all 3 of those sections starting with the feet, then with the cross step, and then with the hands facing the front. And we do this also in actual dance. We start nice and easy with the 3-step. Right, left, right, pop, pop. Once we get this going, we're going to add that cross step in front. Again, it's just right, left, pop, pop. Then once we have that, we're going to add the arms. Ta, 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 ta. All right, great. Now it's time to get on that horse. We're going to start with that left foot. We're going to take it up over the horse, step, right foot steps back. And then we're going to take it back, hop, 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 hop. And the feet are just going tap, 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 tap. And because of that, the booty is going pop, 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 pop. Then the right foot. Down to the mirror, left foot goes back. Pop, 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 pop. See that facing the front. We go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can also hop this. Hop, 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 you can add some lasso arms here as well if you like. Great, it's time for a little mambo chasse step, and we're going to work the arms here. The hands are just here in front, rolling, 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 rolling as fast as you can. We're going to rock that left leg, rock, ta, 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 rock, ta, 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 arms, pa, pa, pa. 4 more times, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Get ready to go to the right. Double, double like the beginning, but this time we go sparkle fingers, left, 2, jazz hands, pa, 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 ta, 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 pa, 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 ta, 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 chasse, rombo, pa, 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 mambo, 2 more. Then we have 4 more chasse mambos, but we're going to double pump, double pump, double pump, and double pump. Good, let's do that facing the front. So we just did our 8 mambo chasses. Then we go double, jazz hands, double, jazz hands, double. Remember that hip behind, pa, pa, and ta. One more time, mambo with the arms. We go 4, 3, 2. We have 4 more. We pump it double. Pump, pump, chop say. Pump, pump, tap, tap, tap. Pump, pump, tap, tap, tap. Pump, pump, tap, tap, tap. Great, now it's time for a little bit more cardio. We're just gonna run in place, kicking the butt. Right here. We just keep doing that. We're gonna add some arms. They go out and up, out and up, out and up. We repeat it all, repeat it all. Keep doing that. There we go. Step, 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 step. And we're just tapping the feet here. Pop, 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 pop. We go right arm, left arm, slap, roll, 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 roll. 1, 2, hit, pop, pop, hit, pop, pop, hit, roll, 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 roll. Right back into that horse. Pop, pop, tap, tap, tap. So cardio, facing the front with those arms and slaps. We go. Right here, legs. We go arms out and up, out and up, out and up. Keep going, keep going. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Tap it out right and left and hit and pa, 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 right and left and zap and pa, pa, horse, horse. Back up, tap, 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 horse. Back it up, pa, 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 horse. Booty, pa, tap, tap, tap. Booty, pa, 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 pa. Now there's one more small part to add after the horse. We're gonna take it up to the mirror, starting with the right foot. We go right, left, and then hop back, hop, 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 hop. And we have a little shimmy during that. Then we go 1, 2, 3, 4. Same thing this time we drum the bongos. Bongo, 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 bongo. Again, 1, 2, 3, shimmy, pop, 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 pop. 1, 2, 3. Bongos, 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 bongos. Those sections repeat 3 times through. That's all the choreography. Let's dance it.